All right, y'all, so before we get into this iPhone case collection by Amazon, I have a huge announcement that we're adding to the JDor collection. I am adding lip glosses. So here are a couple. So these are 3 of the colors. This is Just Fabulous. This is Delicious. And this is JDor Clear. I'm also gonna have them in these squeeze tubes as well. I'm gonna try the Just Fabulous on now. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I am excited. Came on here with Ashy Lips just so y'all can see what it looks like. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to let y'all know that we are coming out with lip glosses. I don't think I have an actual release date, but it is the beginning of February, so that you can order glosses for Valentine's Day. So y'all, so excited. Our website is linked in the description box, jdor.com. I'll also put it on the screen as well. And that is all, y'all. I just want to let you know that we're coming out with a lip gloss collection, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to our channel. And today I am doing iPhone case collection from Amazon. All of the cases that I'm showing today are under $11. And if you've been watching my videos, then you know what kind of phone that I have. If not, I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So Amazon actually just delivered these today, and I have 7 of them. And again, all of these cases are under $11. Also, my last case collection, I told y'all that I was missing 2 cases. One I couldn't find, and I still can't find. But one wasn't delivered, but it actually was delivered, I think, the next day or 2. So I'm going to include that one as well. This one is not from Amazon. It's from AliExpress. Can y'all see it? And it's a marble color, and it's green and gold, and it says chic marble case at the bottom. I don't remember it saying that on when I bought it, but oh well. I think it's really cute. So again, I included that one this time. I'm also going to put the link in the description as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the cases and try all of them on for y'all.
Three hours later.
All right, y'all. So the first case I'm gonna start out with is like a white and like bronze and gray. I don't know if y'all can see that. And this is what it looks like. It's real pretty. I think this was like $8. I'll try it on my phone. There we go. It's really pretty. I actually like this one. Okay, the next case we have is a gray and pink flower case. Looks like this. It's really cute. And this is what it looks like on the phone. I like this one as well. It's really, really cute. The next one I have is a rose gold. It's like hard glitter. This is what it looks like. Now this one I really like, and I think this is the one that I'm gonna wear for the next couple of days. Again, here it go again. What it looks like on the phone. It's really cute. Yeah, this I think is the one I'm gonna keep on my phone. I like this one really a lot. Oh, there you go. And the next case is a leopard case. I guess it comes with like a screen protector or something. And a dry wipe and a wet wipe. Oh, so it comes with a screen protector. And then it has the dust absorber stickers. Okay. And this is what the case actually looks like. Super cute. Then this is what it looks like on my phone. It's really cute. I like this one as well. And then the next case we have, I like this one too. It's a black and pink flower case. I like this one as well. Then this is what it looks like on my phone. Is it focusing? It's really cute. I like this one as well. And then the next one we have is a black and white striped case, and it has pineapples on it. Then this one is actually a little bit deeper than the other ones. I'll go ahead and try it on. Oh yeah, this one has like a little like raise on the ends. So I guess if you drop it, it's not a lot, but it's there. And this is what it looks like on the phone. Put my nails in the way. It's really cute. I like this one too. And then the last case we have, it's like it's white background, but it has gold leaves on it. It's cute too. And I'll put it on my phone. Focus. There we go. Cute as well. I like that one as well. Super cute. So y'all, that is it. And again, all of these cases are under $11 on Amazon. And I'm also gonna put all the links in the description as well. Also, I'm thinking I should give away a couple cases. So just just comment on this video if you like an iPhone 11 Pro Max case, either from my last video or from this video. So I'll link the last iPhone 11 Pro Max case collection as well in this video. And just comment in the I think I'm gonna give away 3, so it's just first come first serve, and just let me know. And again, thank you all for continuing to watch our videos, supporting us, sharing our stuff, liking, subscribing. We appreciate the love. And again, if you haven't joined our family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, again, I am wearing Just Fabulous on my lips. It's from the JDO lip gloss collection, coming soon. I think I'm gonna actually announce, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and announce it now. It's gonna be released on February the 6th. So again, just be on the lookout. If you haven't checked out our website, it's jdor.com. So go ahead and go over there and look. And we appreciate the love and everything. And we'll catch you on the next one. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.